mina ngazi noma ngizothi badidekile yini because amandla asinawo sokuthi sibakhandele iKaizer Chiefs because iyona team abayishaye successful abangayizwa yabo ngisho sebesubstitute sebengenile oCupido lento engiyangiyibona beshaya iChiefs angiyibonanga namhlanje Titus lento eneni ophili lento ababingeke ngiyibona idlala kukushawa iChiefs angiyibonanga namhlanje angazi noma bekusatshwe igama elithi Orlando Pirates yes iPirates siyayazi on top form
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonso Wenkabi bafethu we are back with another video namhlanje bekudlala iStellenbosch sihoste Orlando Pirates at Athlone Stadium so bafethu Orlando Pirates unqobile lo mdlalo ngo2-0 ama goal scorers kube uTito qala wakora Evident Makgopa then kwase kuba uTito Masengaya omabili amagoli angene nge-first half. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates bafethu. They really showed ukuthi they wanna win the league. Njengenjalo bafethu niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibuda kabanyana.
Sharp kunjani?
Ngi-grand. So bafethu before we get into the game, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting11XI. 11 we number then bese kuba XI. So bafethu let's get into the game. Sibuda ibona kanjani game?
Ngibingelele babukeli ma followers ethu sibonga umdala usasiphila ithuba lokuthi siphile. Yeah, Stellenbosch versus Orlando Pirates. Stellenbosch besisekhaya but it's like besi away ngendlela besidlala ngayo. Yeah, Stellenbosch uma ngabe sesidlala ibhola kwi half ye Pirates bekungazathi siyasaba ibhola libhlungu. Yabo. Intention beyingekho yokuthi sothi mase sikwi half laba yalabantu sishaya icounter sikwazi ukuthi si cross amabhola angene eboxini senza amagoli yabo because iPirates uma ngabe iluza ibhola kwi half ye Stellenbosch noma eboxini bekuhlehla wonke umuntu beyiqamba ifika ngale Stellenbosch i18 area besiyipack wonke umuntu usebuyile kubuye ngisho abadlala phambili babuye bazolekelela uApollos mabelithola wonke umuntu uphuma uyachwaza emasayidini Apollos ngapha Mofokeng ngapha siyaphambili yabo Tito kiwa phambili kuyo attack ngoba kufuna igoli yabo kubanjwa amaphutha kubanjwa iviki ucelemba ngezandla iStellenbosch into bekumele siyinake i1 iStellenbosch iPirates beyigcwala emuva uma igcwala iPirates emuva ayikho icross ezoba successful ukuthi ibe yigoli so bekumele benze njani beze la ku10 bona la phaka nendawo bashaye ama long range ukuzama amagoli ideflection ibingakhona eyodwa ukuthi ilokhujana bakora bese kudingeka lokho because ibigcwala iPirates emuva kodwa masiphuma futhi ifast ibashiye futhi lapha kiwa lephambili.
Mina ngibonga Orlando Pirates ngokuthi isheshe ikora amagoli because lo mdlalo uzobhora lo because mothatha ukubheka ungazi utshela ukuthi iStellenbosch ibe weak iStellenbosch besingasekho weak abantu abebe strong nabantu bebehlaniphile Orlando Pirates because iStellenbosch besidefend into ebi good ngayo idefense but mase belitholile ibhola once bandlule 18 abasazi bazolenzana ibhola because uthola ukuthi iPirates igcwele emuva and ama players eStellenbosch isolated acasha ngale kwemva ama defender ePirates mabelithi bayalokhunje bayalicrossa bayalhead Orlando Pirates yabo so mina I think iOrlando Pirates igame plan yabo ba study kahle ba studishe kahle iStellis because Stellis kahle besingasenza nebhola ama decisions always we find out ukuthi ama lokhonya ama pass eStellenbosch weak ifethu like ngathi ibhola lobucheese kusho ukuthi ibhola lase Cape Town licheese limnandi nje yabo uphasa nje kanti iPirates izokulimaza ke muzuza kanjalo ayizokulimaza ngempela lokhonja osibelebele lapha nabafuni lutho sibelebele angikhumbule iluza i1 versus 1 lapha esidini lakhe yonke ibhola beyohamba beyolanda befike elithathe like kade beyolicaphuna nje ethi uba uRamut uRatsum umdlalo weStellenbosch lo ngicabanga ukuthi beyisecond no ndaka alutho. So I think iPirates was just too much for it.
No Musa Lebusa aqhamuka ngalokho. Oh, on the 60 minute. Umfukeng kusho ukuthi bamfundisile ukuthi iRaf idlala kanjani. Shaye umgxobanyawo lapho umculo kaCothoza eminaye. Ibhola lingasekho. Ngoba phezukonyawo then there was no cut because ureferee ubenganakile. So iRaf yaboke nalomfana lo eminaye iqale lapho mangingaphosisi
6 minutes
yeah iqale lapho ngoba bese kudlaliswana indluzo Pirates ibeyimaka ngendluzula iliphasa ibhola lifika emntwini laba uzolithola ibhola kube khona umuntu esespacing angamboni ukuthi amphasele on time uzophasa lo oseduze nabantu ukuthi kube lula ukuthi amakwe bese qambe ephaselwa lo muntu ofree sebe close ukuthi iPirates izommaka then ama passes akhona azoba u3 successful ibhola selimakiwe because umuntu osespacing akazi noma bebengamboni yini well done ishayiwe ifree kick lapha wayehead striker uMahopa yabhala Orlando Pirates again uTito uwenze ezika cishe fane nekwa negoli likaLilepo yeah kube
yilo offside
kube long range lapha ya wathi uyalihead uMahopa yini azange alithole leli ball azange alithinde noma langena
benzani uStevens lapha kulela ball ukeeper akakwazi nokuthi shaya ibhola alishaya ngenqindi
aphume alichifize ibhola
ngathi bedidekile nje
yabo because uNokhujani ile bhola leli liheade umdlalo wayo iStelis useliheada seliyakhipha kwama intercept before lifike kumdlalo wakhe bengaphuma alichifize ayele mina ngazi noma ngizothi badidekile yini because amandla asinawo sokuthi sibakhandele iKaizer Chiefs because iyona team abayishaye successful abangayizwa yabo ngisho sebe substitute sebengenile oCupido lento engiyangiyibona beshaya iChiefs angiyibonanga namhlanje Titus lento enani ophili lento ababingenga ngiyibona idlala kukushawa iChiefs angiyibonanga namhlanje angazi noma bekusatshwe igama elithi Orlando Pirates yes iPirates siyayazi on top form inayo ilokhujana ipace yabo uzosuku apolice afika nimake emumva ahamba zawele isenta akhipha ipass yanokusho nikhona kodwa ngoba veleke phela ke wena mdlali mina engimbonayo ukuthi uyi-competitive player of the season uhleze inswempu pace ya 90 minutes okay ulenzile uFF ucoach wakhipha uMahopa wakhipha uTito kwathi ukuthi uxega la bekumele capitalize iStellenbosch ibhale noma ngabe 1 goal cha kwaze kwafaka noNomtajela ofika walimala washintshwa futhi naye yabo ngoba bese singasafani yabona mase sisefomini uTito uzonijaha if bekukhona ulokuthi uhoto usho ukuthi bezokwanda amagoli
and enye into engiyibonayo la yabona iStellenbosch masingamxosha uGavin Hunt phela uGavin Hunt indlela adlala ngayo I think old fashioned because iCape Town City nje isehlathini uyena oyirelegate but ngoba uGavin Hunt lento edlalisa iStellenbosch mina ngiunderstand ngeke bathi ufike uzopaka ibhasi ibhasi lipake phela and iba nama answers ukuthi mangilithatha ibhola ngilenzani and nana ama player ngathi nje hayi awamdlaleli
ayona ama player ngazi noma bekufika kube ebhlungu amakhokho mangabe efika ngale kwesenta nje kwihalf ngazathi kubuhlungu
ukudlala
yabo
first half
gijima ukushaya count successful ngathi kubuhlungu amakhokho nokuphasela ibhola
5 passes
libhlungu noma belinameva mangabe lisedlala iStellenbosch
no so yes iOrlando Pirates is good but I think iStellenbosch but it was not going to be fair if Pirates drew or lost this game because they really deserve to win this game bafethu idlalele iPirates bafethu itshengisile ukuthi ilambile it was good ngayo yonke indlela ngayo yonke indlela
Defensive eswini,
ukumaka
phambili.
attack
Mm.
angikhumbuli mangaka ama shots on target futhi Stellenbosch
Berelexile uChayine. Chayine ke inhloso yakhe nje uyicacise first half.
mm
Azange anike ibhola idefender la emuva. Belishaya liye phambili. Lishaya liya phambili. Kwayi goal kick nje yazi ukuthi ibhola liya phambili noma ilisavile ibhola ulishaya liya phambili. Ufunani? Ufuna amagoli, ufuna i-clean sheet le ayitholile. Ngasho previously kwenye game iPirates idlala. Ngathi mawufuna ukuyibamba iOrlando Pirates, faka i-defensive midfield, faka ama-defender a-right. Ingakori first half guquke ngo-0-0 usuke usebenzile. Sungabafaka abantu nabo abanepace abazoyijaha izothi mayikora second half nabo bakora. Kodwa yawashaya ama-goal first half wena wangakora. Izokujaha iqhubeka ijahe up until ucoach azabona ukuthi uweak wena akufakele nabantu aba-weak onemtajela.
umusa lebusa no unda ayo futhi mase ngiyaunderstand awani ngadlalile ama big team mfethu ngeke mfethu even ikhona beshiwa police yedwa
Yeah.
bahamba bohlala bonke lapha bashiwa police yedwa bashiwa uMahopa yedwa. What kind of a defending is that?
Kusho ukuthi phela bathembele enkosini ukuthi
And these are senior players cabanga
uzogeja or ngeke kube na something dangerous abazoyenza.
labantu laba bakhetha ukuyoma nokeeper epaleni ukeeper wabo ukuthi mabeshaya solikhahlele like nigcwele lapha like maybe there's 80 players uMahopa uzoheada phambi kwenu like ayingeke there's something wrong.
Wangena nombuthuma wayithola ichance ukukhahlela kwakhe. It's more or less i-1 on 1 lapha ya.
Mina
bephasa kwawumphishiriza ngatibuka. iPirates could have scored igoli lesithathu.
mina bengilindele 6-0 la.
Yabo.
After first half ngivele ngabona ukuthi iPirates sengakora amagoli awu4 la. But iStelis second half sibe negame engconywana. Shuthi igoli leStelis ukuthi nizokora 2 emva kwalokho ke sesiyadlala kahle
Nakhona futhi kuphinde kwakhishwa nalabantu abebehlupha ke lapha eswini yo striker nalobuja uMahopa noTito noma sekunjalo nje even 1 goal kodwa ke I
know iStelis bafethu si softy and makiwa 1 on 1 balala mina ngiyazi into edlalwa lapha ngathi baphethe ibhola lase North Africa manje fethu awuqini nje mfethu umuntu uvela kugudlule nje football is a contact sport yabo mozothula nawe ube ujamu and mina yabona ngiyakutshela next season 2026 to 2027 mabe ngaqala ngoKevin Hunt because phela remember bayishayela nje Chiefs hlanhla leyo Orlando Mamelodi Sundowns ba draw nje ngephutha landamani. They didn't deserve to draw that game.
Yeah.
And this one they didn't deserve to win this one. And currently by number 10 you look. So next year there are high chances ukuthi ngebe idlala MTN 8.
Yeah, very team MTN ngisavuma ukuphuma manje.
Yabo.
Yeah.
And next year they are going to relegation zone. If abamkhipha uGavin Hunt, I'm telling you.
Nangebhadi ke njengoba iChiefs bayishaya azange iye ku number 9 of which bebengashayela yona ke iphume ku manje ayikho ke ile ku number 3 noma bekunga-edelwa igame lesithathu bayishaye angeke iphume ku top 8.
Phela iStellenbosch bethu sidlala i-Confederations Cup, i-CAF. Iphi experience etshengisa ukuthi nina nidlala leni ya travela but I didn't see any but let me say Pirates was just good. Pirates was just good. They outclassed, they outmatched, they humiliated Steelers.
By the way, ama team njengoba usho ukuthi adlala i-Champions League ayayikhombisa experience. Ngoba naleya la eMzansi yayikhombisa naleya le phesheya enejezi elibomvana ngibona ingakaphuma ngazi noma kuseseyiki ukukhombisa experience kodwa kunjalo
so bafethu sizonibona kusasa sikudlala umdlalo we-Kaizer sorry Mamelodi Sundowns versus i-Kaizer Chiefs is umdlalo wes-28 for Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember igame yabo le Test Galaxy bekumele bedlale nge-16 bakwazile ukuyihlehlisa idlale nge-12 May. So bazodlala kusasa kuyingakusasa i-6 badlale nge-9 bese bayadlala nge-12 because basela lama game awu-3. So if bawina lama games iMamelodi Sundowns iPirates izodlala amanye ama games ileague isihambile, but ke we shall see bafethu sobonana kusasa. Danke siyabonga.